Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stardew Valley mobile with a controller. First, make sure your mobile device has Bluetooth enabled and your controller is fully charged. Most modern smartphones and tablets support Bluetooth controllers, offering a seamless gaming experience. Next, put your controller into its pairing mode, which often involves holding down a specific button for a few seconds. Then, simply navigate to your device's Bluetooth settings. Locate your controller in the list and tap to connect it. It's a straightforward process that takes less than 1 minute. A wide variety of controllers are compatible with Stardew Valley Mobile. Popular options include official Xbox wireless controllers and PlayStation DualShock or DualSense controllers, which connect easily via Bluetooth. For Apple users, MFI-certified controllers are a fantastic choice, ensuring optimal performance and reliability. Always check your controller's packaging or manufacturer's website to confirm its compatibility with mobile operating systems like iOS or Android. Most modern Bluetooth controllers should work without issue, providing a comfortable gaming experience. Once your controller is connected, launch Stardew Valley and head into the game's options menu. You'll find a dedicated section for controller settings, allowing you to customize your experience. Here, you can often remap buttons to your liking, ensuring that actions like farming, fishing, or combat feel natural and intuitive. Take a few moments to experiment with different button assignments. Finding the perfect layout can significantly enhance your gameplay, making your Stardew Valley adventures even more enjoyable and efficient. To truly master Stardew Valley with a controller, practice is key. Spend some time getting accustomed to the precise movements and tool selections. For extended play sessions, consider using a phone mount that attaches your device directly to your controller. This can greatly improve ergonomics and reduce hand fatigue. Always ensure your controller has sufficient battery life to prevent any sudden disconnections. With a controller, you can fully immerse yourself in the charming world of Stardew Valley, enjoying its relaxing gameplay anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.